Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I've showed you guys how to get this flawless base by partnering with Dermablend to show you the illuminating banana powder and the multi-use liquid pigment drops. So you guys want to know how to get this flawless illuminated base, just keep watching. First, I'm going to start with the Dermablend Flawless Creator Multi-Use Liquid Pigment Drops. These actually won a 2018 Allure Best of Beauty Award, which is super exciting. These are 33% liquid pigment. They are weightless, full coverage pigment drops that are oil free and they're never cakey. They're super lightweight. They literally just blend out like a dream. How these work is you use as many drops as you want for the coverage. So you can use less drops to get a lighter coverage or more drops to get like a full coverage flawless base. Like, do you see how fast that blend out? Dermablend's branding is all about like being confident in your skin, whether you want to cover everything or not. So I really love that about Dermablend, and they offer just amazing complexion products for people who love the look of full coverage but don't want to wear like theater heavy makeup. So I'm just going to go ahead and set that base with the Dermablend Illuminating Banana Powder. This new awesome banana powder is universally flattering. It has a nice yellow shade, which is really good for brightening. It's super universal. This would work on a wide variety of skin tones. It's not too yellow to where people with fair or medium skin can't use it, but it's yellow enough that people with deep skin could use it. This stuff is amazing. I'm going to demonstrate how to use this today. This is formulated with pearl pigment, so it will go in and set your makeup for up to 16 hours, but it's not going to give you that heavy powder look. You guys can see how bright that makes my under eyes. I love Dermablend products because all of them are so focused on the skin. They're all dermatologist tested and formulated, so they're meant to make your skin look the best it possibly can. And this powder definitely helps because this powder will go in and set your makeup, but it's not going to give you that really heavy cakey look. It gives you like a nice luminous finish. As you can see, my face makeup is set and put in place, but it doesn't look like I'm wearing a lot of makeup. I used to have pretty bad acne and I scar really easily when I get acne still. So Dermablend is really nice because it does offer lots of full coverage options, and they have a lot of different options for powders and foundations. This powder is formulated without a bunch of the nasties. I have it pulled up because I can't remember all these words off the top of my head. But it's formulated without parabens, phthalates, trictylocin, sodium lauryl sulfate, and animal-derived ingredients. And the pigment drops are also formulated without all of the same things. Both of these are fragrance-free, sensitive skin tested, and allergy tested with a dermatologist. So all of these are really not bad for you. They're not going to be bad on your skin, and they're dermatologist tested. So if you do have acne-prone skin, you can feel safe using these. Feel safe, beautiful, with or without the makeup. So this is my flawless base with my Flawless Creator. My Flawless Creator Multi-Use Liquid Pigment Drops and my Illuminating Banana Powder. Check out the description box below. There will be a link there. And thank you again to Dermablend for sponsoring this video. And if you guys like this video, then give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.